So if you're looking to buy yourself a 4K dash camera but don't want to spend a lot of premium amounts such as 25,000, 30,000, 40,000 rupees, here's a list of the top 5 4K dash cameras that are available in India under the price bracket of 20,000 rupees. Even I might get very close to 10,000 rupees as well. So for those of you who don't want to spend a lot of money, have a low budget but still want to get the best out of what's available, this video is the one for you. So if you're someone who has already subscribed to my channel and been watching my videos, a huge thumbs up, a huge thank you to you. You are simply amazing. And if you still haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and also smash that like button. You're watching Travel Tech. Let's get started. So the first camera in the list is the Nexdigitron Prime Plus, India's first modular dash camera. The good thing about this is that you will get the power of 4K, native 4K, backed with the older gen starvis IMX415 sensor, a dual channel variant, coming at a price of close to 10,000 rupees. Yes, this is available at a price of 11,999 as of now. That's as low as it can get for you to get yourself a native 4K backed with a previous gen starvis sensor. So if you have an ultra low budget but still want to get the best 4K quality that's available out there, the Nexdigitron Prime Plus dual channel variant is your perfect choice. And if you still can spend a bit more and want to get some extra camera into your car, the triple channel variant of the Nexdigitron Prime Plus is also available at a price of close to 14,000 to 15,000 rupees. You can get that as well, and of course even if you do buy a dual channel variant, you can always buy the additional interior camera later on and convert your dual channel dash cam into a triple channel one. That's a lot of convenience and that's a lot of flexibility now, isn't it? So if you are interested in checking out some more info and want to get some more detail into the Nexdigitron Prime Plus, go ahead, click down on the description. I've given you the link for its detailed review video and even the purchase link as well. So just watch the entire review video, get all the info which you want, and if you're convinced, go ahead and buy it right now. Following this, the second 4K dash camera coming at a price of less than 15,000 price segment is the Redtiger F7NT. Well, the F7N series are multiple series. You can get it at F7NT, F7NP and F7N. 3 different variants at 3 different prices with similar to little bit different features here and there. I'll give you the link for all 3 of them in the description. Check out the details right there. But the Redtiger F7NT is my favorite one because it is a touchscreen dash cam under 15,000 segment. It provides front 4K resolution, 1080p at the rear, gets you GPS, gets you a touchscreen, the convenience of a touchscreen, and provides you some cool features such as GPS, Wi-Fi, parking monitoring, and also a free memory card. So the Redtiger F7N series ranges from price of about 12,000 to 14,000 rupees, and the F7NT coming close to 13,000 to 14,000 rupees. I really think the F7NT and the F7NP are good deals for the price they are coming at, and if you want to have the convenience of a touchscreen, the F7NT would definitely be a perfect choice. I personally like the quality of the touchscreen on the F7NT. You should definitely check it out. And as I said previously, similar to Nexdigitron Prime Plus, the detailed review video of the F7NT is also given in the description below. Go ahead, check out the detailed review video, and if you're convinced, go ahead and buy the camera right now. Following this, the next or the third 4K dash camera coming under the price bracket of 15,000 rupees is the DDPAI N5 Dual. I'm personally blown away with the kind of 4K quality the front camera of the N5 provides. It's simply good. Every aspect, especially the field of view and the contrast, the saturation, everything looks pretty much balanced. Again, the same detailed review video of the N5 is also available on my channel. Go ahead and check it out if you want to take a detailed look. But the N5 also offers some super cool features. The DDPAI N5 gets a 4K front and a Full HD rear camera with 32 GB inbuilt memory, gets voice control, gets ADAS, gets 5 GHz Wi-Fi, gets GPS, and also gets 512 GB memory card support. The only drawback maybe of this camera is that the N5 doesn't get a screen, but for those of you who don't require a screen, who are not in need of a screen, the DDPAI N5 Dual just might be the right choice because the front 4K quality is top notch, and I really appreciate DDPAI for making such a good quality 4K front camera. So the DDPAI N5 Dual comes close to the price of about 13,000 to 13,500 rupees. That's still less and still kind of close to 10,000 price bracket. So that's a good thing for the consumers, that's a good thing for the customers because you're getting a lot of options under the 15,000 price segment. That being said, moving on to the next option, the next 4K camera, the fourth one, my personal favorite and probably the most value for money triple channel dash cam that's available out there, the Redtiger F17. So this is a triple channel dash camera offering you a front 4K and a full HD resolution for the interior camera and the rear camera as well. This dash camera too gets 5 GHz Wi-Fi, gets GPS, gets parking mode, is super capacitor based and even supports memory cards up to 256 GB. This camera has impressed me a lot because the kind of features this camera offers and even the kind of on-screen settings this camera offers, it's pretty good and has been one of the most VFM products that's available in the Indian market. Check out its detailed review video, the link to it will be given in the description below. I'm not going to get into the detail of any of these cameras in this video. This is just going to be an overview list. So the Redtiger F17, I've personally used it for quite some time now and I'm very happy with the kind of performance the F17 provides. And if you do purchase using the link in the description below, you might get some additional discount of 1,660 rupees, bringing the price even closer to less than 15,000 price bracket. So do go ahead, check out its detailed review video and even check out the price by clicking on the link in the description. So these were the top 4 4K cameras that are available in and around the price bracket of 15,000 in India. But there is one more camera that's worthy of a mention. I'm talking about the 70mm A810, the king of budget 4K cameras. So this camera gets you a starvis 2 sensor, starvis 2 IMX678 to be precise. Now this sensor is pure magic. In low light conditions, in night conditions, no camera can match the video quality the 70mm A810 provides for the price it trails at. So the 70mm A810 comes at a price of close to 18 to 19,000 rupees and is worth every single rupee you're gonna invest in it. The front camera quality is simply flawless, backed by the starvis 2 sensor giving you a true 4K resolution. Every single aspect of the video quality from the front camera is simply mind-blowing. You won't get a better camera under the 20,000 price range. This camera also gets GPS, gets Wi-Fi, gets ADAS, gets 256 GB memory card support, gets parking mode along with motion detection, and you also get a 3-inch screen. Among all the dash cameras which I've tested from all this time, the 70mm A810 has probably been the most used camera in my car, and I've personally used it for like more than a year or close to 2 years, and I've never faced any issue and I've never faced any kind of a quality issue with this camera. This camera still reigns supreme in the under 20,000 price segment and is a must buy if you have a budget of 20,000 rupees. That being said, go ahead, check out the detailed review of the A810 as well. The link to it will be given in the description along with the purchase links as well. So go ahead, check out the review video, and if you're convinced, go ahead and buy the camera. So these are the top 5 4K dash cameras that are available in India under 15,000 price bracket and under the 20,000 price bracket. Go ahead and select any of these cameras and you'll be getting the best possible video quality for those current prices the dash cameras trend at. So if you do have any queries or doubts regarding any of these cameras, just write that down in the comments or even DM me on my Facebook or the Instagram page. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in any way, go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now, smash that like button, and also don't go without hitting the bell icon so they get notified each time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.